Welcome to 7877 US 127 in Addison, Michigan. This country contemporary style home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, full master suite, main floor laundry, and 2-story living room boasting with natural light and amazing views. This open concept design has a beautiful, large, eat-in space kitchen and nearly 2,500 finished square feet of living space. Priced just under $225,000 makes this a great buy. So if you're interested, contact myself or your agent to schedule a private tour. I'm Brian Goff. Thanks for watching and have a great day.